Hey everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to format numbers in Microsoft Excel. So in my last video, I showed you how to round numbers. This is very similar. There's two ways that we can format numbers in each cell in Microsoft Excel. So over here, we've got the number 2.428. As you can see, maybe this is not a number that you want to present, or this is not the type of data that you want to present to an individual, or let's say this is your boss. There's two ways of formatting this. Over here, we're going to start off by right-clicking this cell. So we're going to right-click this cell, and we're going to just click on Format Cells. And over here on Format Cells, you have a number of items that you can select from. Here we could go to General, Number, Currency, Accounting, Date, etc. So because we are working with numbers, we're going to stick to formatting this through numbers, currencies, and text, as well as percentage. So depending on what you want to do, and if this is a number and you want to present this as just two decimal places here, you can select the decimal place digits over here to a number or value that you want. For example, if you wanted to have a decimal place of 8 or 2 decimal places, you can select it here by going up or down, and it's going to display it how it's going to look. So if I go back down to 2 decimal places, this is what we're going to get, and we're going to click on OK, and now you can see it formatted to 2 decimal places. So let's go back to Format Cells, and now what we're going to look at is a currency. So if you're in the United States, we could format this to the US dollar, and you can see the symbol is in dollars. Over here, if you're in the UK, you can do it to the British pound. By coming over here to English, and you'll see United Kingdom, and that's going to present your currency as is. And then we'll click on OK, and you can see it's formatted to English UK. You could also format cells to even different currencies, such as digital assets, such as Bitcoin. So if you come over here, and you could actually see Bitcoin in Satoshis or in different currencies as well. You can see it in the Filipino peso, and we click OK, and you can see it formatted in the Filipino peso. Now, if you wanted to highlight these items or these cells in a percentage wise, you could come over here and click on percentage, click on OK, and you could see before you do that, you can actually round it off to either 0 decimal places if you wanted it standard. Click OK, or if you wanted to X amount of decimal places, you can format it as you like. So if you didn't want any type of formatting here and you want to clear the cells and make everything simple, what you can do is you can highlight all of these cells, right click on Format Cells, and then we're just going to click on Text. So it's going to be exactly how you present your data, or you can say OK, or it's similar to as none. So you click on OK, and it's just going to be formatted as how you typed it in. Now, the second way of formatting your cells in Microsoft Excel is coming over here to the toolbar. And this is very similar to the way you did it when you right-clicked. You could come over here, you could format all cells, but just by highlighting the data that you want, come over here. It currently shows that we are in text mode. You come over here to general, and it'll have no specific format. So there's no specific format here. Now we could come over here, and we can do this as currency. So now, right now, we could select the type of currency. Right now, it's at the dollar. Here, we could do United Kingdom to the British pound. And let's say you wanted to format this to 0 decimal places. You could come over here, and you could decrease or increase the decimal. So we're going to increase the decimal places. We're going to make that higher, or you can decrease this. So you can decrease that to 0 decimal places. And that's how you format cells in Microsoft Excel.